Imagine a feeling of being in the most chaotic place possible, but inside your head you're calm and collected. A feeling of not being manipulated by your emotions. A feeling of having a complete control over your brain. A feeling of getting rid of all the negative thoughts you have. This is what it feels like if you practice meditation. Alright, I'll tell you guys a short story. First video 2019. So my last upload was in 2018 November. It was a travel video, so yeah, pretty excited for this. So yeah, I'll just reduce down. Did I say yeah twice? That's fine. All right, so yeah, I've been struggling with like what do I really want to do. So because every time like I had something in my mind, like, oh, I want to make video about that, I want to make video about that, and then I was like, oh, do I really want to? Because like I wanted to create something which has certain like which adds a value to you, which adds a value to me. So yeah, so I came up with this idea of doing a meditation video, that why meditation, like how meditation changed my life, because I have been doing meditation for like the last 4 months. And it's crazy, like it actually works. Like in the beginning when my friends would tell me that, hey, have you tried doing meditation, or I'm going to this meditation seminar or something, I was like, meditation, oh, I don't need meditation. But once I started doing that, I'm like, wow, this is like this next level shit. Like it just takes you to like, I don't know, I'll get into that later. So how it all started. So 4 months ago I started reading books. So this book, I bought this book online called Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself by Dr. Joe Dispenza. And once I started reading that, like it tells you about how your brain works and like all the scientific facts about like your brain, how you can control your emotions, how you can control your feelings and stuff. And end section of the book that teaches you about the importance of meditation, why we should do meditation, how to do meditation, that there are different steps. So I'm not here to advertise the book, I'm just here to tell like how it all got started. So first week I did that, it was freaking horrible. Here's an example. What's up, Sean? Yeah, oh, no problem. Let's try it again. What? Okay. Please call me after 15 minutes. Thank you. Alright, so yeah, first week was terrible. I'm just going downstairs because upstairs is really warm. And I'm holding the camera in my hand, and that's the light which I use, which is pretty good. So yeah, let's set it up here. So yeah, this is like my 100th take. So as you saw, the first week was legit like that. Like I would start meditation, and after 2 minutes I would be into my own world thinking about random shit. So yeah, it like if you're starting out, it would be really hard. And I've like also talked to some of my friends, and they were like, nah, it's not for me. It's just very distracting. It doesn't work for me. But trust me, practice, and you would get better. Or log on to YouTube, just type in morning meditation or evening meditation, night meditation. There's so many videos, guided meditation. They would tell you what to do, what are things to focus on, what are the things to neglect. And like, yeah, it starts like you might get 5 minutes video, 10 minutes video, 15 minutes video. So I've been doing it for 4 months now, and I feel great. Like Sometimes if I don't have time, like usually I do it for 10 to 15 minutes, and if I don't have time, I'll just do it for 5 minutes, or sometimes if I miss it, I just feel like I'm missing out something. So it has just become a habit, you know. And every morning I do it every morning, and every morning after doing it, I just feel like I have like pressed that reset button in my head. And yeah, so whatever happened yesterday happened, and now like I'm very refreshed, full of energy, full of positive energy, full of excitement to just take on the day. I hope it all made sense to you guys this time. And yeah, so yeah, just have a try and see how do you go. And if you tried it, yes or no, how did you feel? Just let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And yeah, if you haven't subscribe to my channel, or don't subscribe, up to you if you think that I'm boring and I'm just talking bullshit. But yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Meditate and let me know how it goes. Peace.